Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dorman shifter cable bushing kit is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components in ensuring smooth and precise shifting in your vehicle. This video will thoroughly review the Dorman 14055 shifter cable bushing kit, examining its quality, ease of installation, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right choice for restoring your car's shifting mechanism to optimal condition. Number 5. Dorman 14057 Shifter Cable Bushing Kit. This kit offers a convenient solution for repairing your worn-out shifter cable bushing. It's a simple fix that saves you time and money compared to replacing the whole cable assembly. Replacing the entire cable assembly is expensive and time-consuming. This kit lets you replace just the bushing, saving you both time and money. It's precision-engineered to fit specific General Motors, Chrysler, and Saab models. This ensures a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's designed in the United States, reflecting over a century of automotive aftermarket expertise. You can trust in its quality and durability. To confirm it fits your vehicle, simply enter your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool. This ensures you get the right part for your car. This kit is designed for easy installation, saving you valuable time and effort. It's a straightforward repair that even DIY enthusiasts can handle. What we like. It's a perfect replacement for a worn-out bushing. This ensures a precise fit for your vehicle. If you value time and money, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install, 5 minutes. The durability drawing fits like a glove. Excellent product, easy install, accurate dimensions, cable fit onto the bushing with an easy install. Product worked great. Easy to install per YouTube video. 2 different styles in package. One orange and one clear. Videos showed using orange set, but when I took off the original piece, it was a clear one. Number 4. Dorman 14055 Shifter Cable Bushing Kit. This kit offers a convenient solution for repairing your worn-out shifter cable bushings. It's a simple fix that saves you time and money compared to replacing the whole cable assembly. Replacing just the bushing is far more economical than replacing the entire shifter cable. It's a smart way to save money and get your vehicle back on the road quickly. This kit is designed to fit specific General Motors, Chrysler, and Saab models. It's precision engineered to ensure a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's designed in the United States, reflecting over a century of automotive aftermarket expertise. You can trust in its quality and durability. This kit is designed for easy installation, saving you valuable time and effort. Simply replace the old bushing with the new one and you're done. To ensure it fits your vehicle, use the garage tool to input your make, model, and trim level. This ensures a perfect fit every time. What we like. This is another great option for replacing a broken bushing. It's designed to fit specific vehicle models. If you're on a budget and need a reliable fix, this is a smart choice. What people say. Works perfect. Get some water boiling in a cup, put the white bushing in the hot water, let it sit, take bushing out and install. Same with clear bushing. White bushing is for the interior shifter cable, clear bushing is for cable to transmission gear. Select. These bushings are just what you need to repair dried out and broken missing factory items. Easily installed using simple hand tools. I used this to fix my 2003 Cavalier. The larger one is the one I needed to reconnect the linkage cable to the shifter. It was a small pain because I didn't know exactly how to get to everything. Number 3. Dorman 14073 Shifter Cable Bushing Kit. Don't replace the whole assembly. This bushing is a quick, affordable fix for your worn-out shifter cable. It's easy to install, saving you valuable time and the high cost of a complete cable replacement. Get back on the road faster and for less. It's designed to fit specific Chevrolet, GMC, Isuzu, and Oldsmobile models. We've ensured it's the right part for your vehicle. It's designed in the USA and built with over a century of automotive expertise. You can trust in its quality and reliability. Use our online tool to verify that it's compatible with your vehicle's make, model, and trim level. Ensure a perfect fit every time. This kit makes replacing your worn bushing simple and straightforward. Get your car back in top shape quickly. What we like. It offers a convenient solution for various car models. It's precision engineered for a perfect fit. If you own a Chevrolet, GMC, Isuzu, or Oldsmobile, this is the perfect fit for you. What people say. Works like new. Easy install. I tried some other ones from Advanced Auto and they failed and left me stranded. But then I ordered this and it fit perfectly and has held up great. Dealership wanted $600 to replace the shift cables on my 2008 Silverado HD, installed this product in less than 5 minutes and works perfect. Number 2. 14055 Shift Cable Bushing. This high-quality bushing ensures smooth and precise shifting. It's designed for a long lifespan and easy installation. It fits a variety of vehicles, including Chevy Cavalier, Jeep Wrangler JK, Hummer H2, and Dodge Avenger. Check your vehicle's specifications to confirm compatibility. It's made from high-quality materials for durability and reliable performance. This ensures a smooth, trouble-free driving experience. Installation is quick and easy, saving you time and effort. No special tools are required for installation. The package includes 1 shift cable bushing. You'll receive everything you need for a complete repair or replacement. This is a direct replacement for part number 14055. Make sure this is the correct part number for your vehicle before ordering. What we like. This one comes in a pack of 2, making it a great value. It's also easy to install. If you need a replacement for your Chevy Cavalier, Jeep Wrangler JK, Hummer H2, or Dodge Avenger, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked great, fit perfectly, you just have to heat it up in hot water first to get it to slide in place. Shifter linkage bushing broke on my 2007 Jeep JK. This was the only thing that fit and fixed it. Jeep JK fix for automatic transmission cable knot transfer case. Soak the clear bushing in hot water. Pull cable mount with long needle nose pliers have to go over the drive shaft for the top one but can be done. Pull down cable end. Apply petroleum jelly to inner bushing race. Remove bushing from hot water and install. If bushing doesn't return to normal shape once in the race, dip the cable end with bushing installed into cup of hot water. Once it returns to shape, reinstall. I have tried many bushings at this point and this seems to be the best fix. Number 1. Dorman 14044 Shift Cable Bushing Kit. This kit is a convenient and cost-effective solution for repairing your worn-out shift cable bushing. It's a direct replacement, saving you time and money compared to replacing the whole assembly. It directly replaces the broken bushing, eliminating the need to replace the entire cable assembly. This saves you time and money on repairs. Replacing just the bushing is significantly faster and cheaper than replacing the entire cable. It's a smart and practical solution. We offer 2 kits to perfectly match your Dodge, Chrysler, or Plymouth vehicle. One includes 2 bushings and an end, and the other includes 1 bushing and a retaining clip. It's designed in the USA and backed by Dorman's more than a century of automotive aftermarket excellence. You can trust in its quality and performance. To ensure you get the perfect fit, use our online tool to check compatibility based on your vehicle's make, model, and trim level. It's easy to find the right part for your car. What we like. It offers 2 different kits to match different vehicle needs. It's designed for specific Chrysler, Dodge, or Plymouth models. If you need a precise fit for your Chrysler, Dodge, or Plymouth, this is the kit for you. What people say. Fit my 06 manual PT Cruiser. As others suggested, you will need 2 of these kits, manual vehicles anyway. Not sure about automatic cars, if you're replacing both the rubber pieces under the console. The dealer will try to tell you that you need the entire linkage replaced, I was quoted $800 plus, or they will try to charge $100 plus for just the bushings. On a 2006 points Cruiser I was able to do this myself with simple tools and after watching a few YouTube videos. Only needed the under shifter part, and worked like a charm. Doesn't need any tools. Just a firm push. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.